Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at given a table, can we find the rule if I'm given a couple of the XY values? So I'm going to go through this process. This is coming from CPM's course 3, and this is the closure problems number specifically 7-117. So I look and I see I've got when X, right? This is my X, this is my Y's. When X equals 8, Y equals 18, as well as when X equals 3, Y equals 3. So I tend to take and start playing around with some of the operations, the possibilities, right? So one possibility would be that I take my X and I add 10, right? 8 plus 10 is 18. So if I check it over here and I say, well, is it the same thing? Can I take 3 plus 10 and get 3? No. So it's not that one, right? It's not X plus 10. So then I go, well, let's see, maybe if I multiply first. So if I multiply by 2, that'd be 2x. I get 16. To go to get up to 18, I got to add 2, right? So 2x plus 2, maybe it's that one. So I multiply by 2 and add 2. That gets me 18 here. What about this one? So if I say 2 times 3 plus 2, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. It's not 3, so it's not that one, right? So I keep going. Let's check 3. If I multiply by 3, so that's 3 times x, or 3 times 8 is 24. And then I have to get from 24 to 18, so I'm going to subtract 6. So 3x minus 6, maybe. Let's check this one. So that would be 3 times 3 minus 6. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. There it is. So this is the one that works for both of those. So that's my rule. My rule would be y equals 3x minus 6 because it works for both sets. Okay. So that's, now that we've done that, that's my rule. Now I've got to use my rule to complete the rest of the table. So in each of these, you're going to plug the x in place to find the y. So here it's going to be 3 times 6 minus 6. Well, 3 times 6 is 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. So that answer is 12 for that one. 1 half. So it's 3 times 1 half minus 6. Right? So 3 times 1 half is 1.5, or 1 and 1 half. 1 and 1 half, or 1.5 minus 6, is negative 4.5. Okay. Put a negative 6 in there. Bring this over here. So it's 3 times negative 6 minus 6. 3 times negative 6 is negative 18 minus 6. We're getting more negative, right? You're starting at negative 18 and you're subtracting positive. So it goes further down the number line. Or you can look at it as when you have a minus, it's the same thing as plus a negative. So it's a negative 18 and negative 6 makes that negative 24. And then if I put a 12 in, so it's 3 times negative 12 minus 6. So that 3 times negative 12 is negative 36 minus 6. Again, getting more negative would make that negative 42. And then the last one, 3 times 2/3 minus 6. Okay. So when you multiply a whole number times a fraction, you put the whole number of a 1, multiply straight across, you get 3/6. 3 over 6 is 2, so it's 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is negative 4. Okay. All right. There we go.